Hello dear Jawa, Star Wars and custom friends. Today on the Star Wars Day I want to show you in a shortcut video a sound test of my Jawa gloves that you know what you become when you buy one of my gloves. First I have to activate, I will begin with the premium edition. On the premium edition we have on the thumb the Imperial March and the cantina band on the second button on the thumb. With the index finger you will get the Utini. On the middle finger you get this Java noise. On the ring finger you will get random Java noises. And on the pinky you will get Java screams. So that's enough for the premium solution. There are much more possibilities, but this is the standard configuration when I gonna ship to you. On the standard solution you have only it's a tinier storage. Because of that you haven't got sounds. On the thumb you have another Java speaking random. You will get 2 times Dutini. It's on the thumb and the index finger. On the middle finger again this Java brobbling, the speaking of Java on the ring finger, in the random, and on the pinky you also will get the Java screams. I hope you enjoy this little short videos. I make this one for the ones they don't have the time to look the whole video on his full length, but I can promise you it's time worth to show it. Then you know everything about my sound gloves and what you become when you buy one of my Jawa sound gloves. Bye and nice Jawa day, Star Wars Day.